We can all see that the planet is under environmental pressure and holds a global population which needs to adopt better social and working practices. This video looks at how you can embrace sustainable investment principles in your pension, ISA and general investments so that they can make a positive difference to the planet and population, now and in the future. ESG stands for Environmental Social Governance, and ESG Investing considers these non-financial measures. Environmental analysis considers how a business performs on environmental challenges such as water usage or harmful emissions. Social criteria considers how the company treats people, considering areas like equal opportunities and health and safety. Governance principles scrutinizes how a company is governed on subjects like remuneration, board diversity and tax practices. The proven rationale is that companies which adhere to high working practice standards in these three areas are more likely to outperform in the long run. So how does ESG work with investment funds? Many global investment houses now integrate ESG analysis and engagement into their investment process, helping future-proof investments. Some actively avoid companies which have a negative impact on society and the environment, while others will use ESG factors to invest more positively, as companies are often neither all good or all bad, such as an oil company that invests in clean energy. Some take it a step further and only invest in companies whose positive impact on the world can be measured. Does that mean that ESG investing costs you money in terms of lower performance? The short and precise answer is no. ESG investing actually provides a positive risk-adjusted return that has, on average, outperformed non-screened equity investments over the past 10 years, according to a global investment research company. It is possible to invest in a sustainable way and achieve financial reward. Beckett Asset Management provides a social impact portfolio which invests in the Blenheim Ethical Opportunities Fund. To be eligible for investment, funds must have a stated environmental, social or governance objective and policy, or a stated social responsible investment objective and policy. Or, if focusing on property, funds must have an independent accreditation for their ESG or SRI credentials, for example, a Green Star by the Global Real Estate Sustainability Benchmark. Or, direct investments must align to one or more of the UN Sustainable Goals. 70% of the funds focusing on shares and bonds avoid companies that derive any revenue from human rights abuses, environmental abuse, animal testing for cosmetics, and armaments. To find out more about ESG investing or Beckett Asset Management's social impact portfolio, you can visit beckettinvest.com and click on Wealth Management, or call 01284 754 500 to speak to one of our independent financial advisors.